Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another beautiful tutorial for you guys. On this video today, you are going to be seeing a very beautiful wig from YOLOVA Hair. So this is how their box came in. So let's unbox this wig together. Guys, you can see a cap inside the package and they're gifting me eyelashes. So guys, this is the baby we are talking of. This is natural straight human hair wig from YOLOVA Hair. This is 30 inches in length. I love YOLOVA so much. I love this company. I can't just deny the quality of their hair is top notch. They have nobody to compete with when it comes to quality of hair. So guys, you can see how this hair is bouncing, is so silky. Combing it is very easy. You don't need to suffer yourself. This is a center part wig. It came with full frontal. Guys, check this hair out. So let's quickly review inside of the cap. The back of the cap stretches. I love everything about this cap. It came with full comb, one at the center, two by the sides and one at the back. Just check it out now. It stretches and it came with extra adjustable strap at the back, so you can use that if the size is not okay for you. So guys, let's quickly rock this wig so that you see how beautiful the hair is. So guys, this is my second time working with this company and I can tell you no regrets at all. Their hair is beautiful. The quality, like I told you before, is 100%. And in this celebration period, do not forget to patronize this company because you won't regret getting one of their baby for yourself. So every information about this wig will be in the description box below. Do check it out and use my code to get a discount for yourself. So guys, as you watch, if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and turn on the notification bell because that will help you to be notified whenever I drop a new video. And my returning subscribers, thank you so much. God bless you for your support, for your love. So guys, let's quickly install this hair on my head. I'll be doing it myself. If you don't know how to do it, just watch and enjoy the tutorial.
I'm thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right away, got so much time looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with our bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my thinking you were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love, the things I love, 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 love. The things I love, the things I love. Be one of the things I love. The things I love, the things I love.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for your support. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and remember that every information about this wig is in the description box below. Do check it out and get this baby for yourself, and also use my code to get a discount for yourself. Thank you guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you, YOLOVA Hair. I appreciate you. Keep up the good work. Your hair is beautiful. See you guys on my next video. Bye.
You were made for me. Isn't it my birthday yet? Cause I gotta say, you're looking like a gift for me. Wrapped up nice and neat, baby. Get in my way now, don't be shy. We'll be here dancing day and night. Get in my groove now, don't be shy. Cause I got this list of my favorite things. You could be the part where it all begins. You could be the first and the second and the third and the rest of it. You could be one of the things I love. Sunday morning breakfast with my bedroom door locked. I like everything that has a cherry on top. Get on my list of the things I love, love, love. You could be the one I trust. All the second chances, they are nothing for us. I like it all with the cherry on top. Be one of the things I love. We don't have to move so fast, baby, I will show you how you can catch my vibe. And right here we got so much time, looping in the blurry lights.